Hey guys, today I made brown sugar toast. Start off with 2 slices of bread, preferably white bread, but I only had whole wheat bread. In a very small bowl, combine 1.5 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm pretty sure white sugar will work too. Just for fun, I use this cookie scoop that's 1 tablespoon. This is optional, but you can add a dash of cinnamon too, and mix. Here's the secret ingredient, it's graham cracker crumbs. I added half a sheet of it, but you can add as much as you want. Try to break the graham cracker crumbs really small so it's easy to spread on the bread. I definitely did not crumble my graham crackers enough, so it was very difficult to spread. This recipe makes for 2 slices of bread, but if you put it on the front and back of the slice, then that'll be 1. You could always double or triple the recipe though. Take the slice of bread and put it over a small pan over medium-high heat. It's very easy to burn this toast, so you have to watch it constantly. After 3 minutes, you flip it over and fry for another 2 minutes. I did not flip my toast in one try, so here's a footage of me attempting to flip it. If you put ice cream over this, it'll taste excellent. Unlike most desserts, it's very important to let this cool for around 5 minutes because hot sugar is very hot and it won't get crispy if you eat it right away.